Assalamualaikum. If you didn't know yet how the classrooms are being completed right now, so I'm going through the stairs to see the progress of the classrooms. I'm getting upstairs. So this is where it's going to be open space, and on the left side this is going to be where the entrance going to the sisters area is going to be. Excuse me. Then going into all the classrooms, on the left side there are two classrooms that are almost done. First one. The second one is a little bit bigger classrooms. So this is almost complete. And on the right side, when you were walking in, this is a little bit bigger classrooms. So this is the third classroom. Then this is the fourth classroom. Painting is almost done. The roof is all the AC, everything closed. So this is just open because of we have to put the TVs and chalkboards for the teachers and students. This is the fifth classroom. Then going into further, this is where people can sit, and this is the room that is for the women's and the school usage, or for tea, coffee room, kind of break room. And then going to further, and this is where there will be opening, and this is where the terrace is going to be for the sisters. So I cannot go further because the door is locked. So if you can see, you have seen some of the pictures. So mashallah, looking good for this part to be done ASAP.